How to set up social sharing in Social Login plugin. Click here to open plugin settings. Go to Social Sharing tab. You can select applications from the list given here. You can also preview the selected applications. Customize shape, theme, size of icon and space between icons, as per your WordPress theme. Here are the options to display social sharing icons. You can select the pages where you want to add the social sharing icons. You can add social sharing icons in WooCommerce product page and BBPress pages. Click on Save to save your settings. Trying out social sharing. You can see icons above and below the post just like we selected in the settings. You can share the pages or posts with any of these applications. As an example, we will be sharing with Twitter. You can change the text and share your tweet. Your tweet has been posted. You have successfully shared your page using social sharing. Using support box, feel free to reach out to us in case of any assistance. Thanks for watching.